Can you hear me? I want to be sure if you can hear me before we will start our class. Can you all hear me? Good morning, good morning. If you can hear me, this is what you will do for me. Mute your mic so that you can hear me very well. If you have any other question, you can unmute your mic, but for now you can mute your mic so we can continue. Now today I will be working on ball dress. Like I said today we'll be working on ball dress. If you look at what we have for our ball dress, I have a short note here which says that a ball dress or a gown is a type of evening dress worn to a ball or a formal event. Now the first stage for you to achieve your ball dress is to draft out your pattern. The first step here we have draft out your pattern, your body's pattern, which consists of both back and front. Now you look at the board, this small part of the board, I have my body's pattern here, I have my CF and I have my CB. So this is the miniature of my pattern. So if you're making for yourself, you're making the big one. Now we have the miniature pattern. If you look at my miniature pattern, my miniature pattern did not get to the hip level. I stopped it from the waist for both back and front. So you can do that, or you can do a complete pattern and remove from that part, wherever you want to, because you are extending it to a dress. Now step 2. The textbook said extend the body's pattern to your desired length. Now to your desired length, you are starting from your NP, your front NP. It's always good to start all your measurement from your NP. Now you're taking the measurement now from your NP down to your desired length, how long you want the ball dress to be. Now you are going below the waistline of what you have here, now to your desired length. After drafting this to your desired length, let's use this one. Let's say this is our desired length of both back and front. Now can you see the board? Now this is the desired length of our dress. Now step 3, it says shape the body's pattern down to your waist length. Now the shape bodies, like shape bodies we did yesterday, if you are doing the shape bodies for this particular one, you are stopping at the waistline, on your waistline. Don't go below the waistline. I repeat, don't shape below the waistline. Shape once you get to your waistline, you stop there. Now this is what you are doing. You are taking the full roundness of your waist, how firm you want it. That is what you have for both CF and CB. Now the down part, you are making a ball dress. Don't get it wrong, the down part is a very loose dress. You are getting the loose part of the down part from the waist all the way down, while from the waist up is fitted. Now step 4, it says slash pattern of your bodies from the new waistline of both back and front. Don't forget your bodies, you have the new waistline and you have the natural waistline. Now the new waistline, for those with tummy, those that have body tummy, for the new waistline, you are going down below 1 cm. You can go below 1 cm, you can go 1.5 cm, but please don't go more than 1.25 cm, even for pregnant women. Don't go below 2.5 cm, sorry, even for pregnant women. Now once you go down for your new waistline look like this. Whatever you have for this front here, you're dividing it into 2 for the side. Let's say we are using 1 cm for this point here. For the side will be 0.5, this other side will be 0.5. Then the back, take note, you are not taking anything, it goes like this. Can you see? This is the back, which is the zipper part. You are not taking anything from the side. Now both sides seam, you are taking half of the measurements you have here for your CF point. Then you square across. Now the textbook said we should slash the pattern from our new waistline. Now you are not slashing from your natural waistline, you are slashing from your new waistline below. So after doing that, it said join both back and front of the down body's parts, or the down body pattern with the paper tape. This is what you have here. Now this is my CF of the down part. This is my CB of the down part. Now you are joining both side seam. This particular part here is a cut on fold of the pattern. Now you are joining the pattern on both sides, same from this side and this side with the help of your paper tape. Now the down part will now look like this, one piece. After joining, what you'll be getting is just one piece. Now the one piece, now you have this part on fold, you have this side the up and this part the down. Are we together? So before moving forward, let me see if you have any questions so we can move to our next stage. Yeah, the time we said do slash and spread of the joints down pattern 360-degree. Now this is what you do. Don't forget I said after joining your down part pattern, now you are getting one piece of it like this, which this part is a cut and fold. Now fold this paper so as much as you can, so you can get the lines. The lines will be looking like this after folding. There's no particular measurement for this. The whole idea is to make sure after folding you slash and spread, you can get a 360-degree. This is a 360-degree, a circular form. So now you are slashing from the down part to the tip. Please take note, don't cut off. You are slashing from the down part to the tip on every line that you have here. You are slashing, I repeat, from the down part to the tip. Now the pattern will look like this. The pattern will look like this. Now when you have something like this part is a cut and fold part. Now your pattern will look like this. By the time you make this cut and fold and you open it, what you will be getting will be on a circular form like this, with one line here which is for the joining, which is at the back part of your skirt. Are we good? Now the next step, the third says if you are making gathers for the down part, do the measurement of your waist times 3 plus 10. If you are not using flare for the down part, you are using gathers. You can use flare, you can use gathers for the down part. Now if you are using gathers for the down part, you don't need to do slash and spread of your paper. What you need to do, you take the waist measurement back and front. Whatever you get, multiply by 3 and add 10 inches to it. Multiply by 3 and add 10 inches to it. Now from that point, you can get your desired length, how long you want it. Then you cut the fabric and do the regular gathers that we used to do. That is for the down part. That's if you don't want to work with the the flare. Then the last step we have here, the textbook said use bridal baskets or hard nets for the ball to be more effective. After joining everything together, don't forget we are sending you the sewing technique. So after joining everything together, for you to make it look stand or look ball, look like the ball shape, you need to add hard net or basket. If you don't have basket, this is what you do to your hard net. The same way you achieve your slash and spread is the same way you achieve your hard net. But take note, make sure your hard net is not as long as the down part of your ball dress. So you can be seeing only the ball dress, this is the fabric, but not the hard net. The hard net is inside. You can also double the hard net to make it look more effective. So please, if you have any question, ask your question, or meet your mic and ask your question. If you have any question, unmute your mic and ask your question. Any question? So I guess we're okay with the class. I will be sending you guys the sewing technique of the ball dress so you can work with what you have there. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.